What's up guys, welcome to a new playlist I created on my YouTube channel called Tech Tuesdays. This is where we're going to come together and talk about tech. So for the first episode, I thought it'd be right if I showed you around my studio, showed you a little bit of the gear I use, but not go too much into detail because there'll be further episodes, but give you a basis of where I do all my magic. So let's get started. Alright, and this is the gaming setup. We got my dual monitor and a custom gaming PC here. Guys, this is a dream come true. I use this setup when I stream on Twitch. If you're not following me, go check out www.twitch.com/ScooterCooper, or I think it's Twitch TV/ScooterCooper. Either way, go check that out. Make sure you follow. If you really like the channel, subscribe. It's a really big passion of mine that kind of has been pushed to the side a little bit as I've really been pursuing freelancing film. But guys, come on, it's gaming. Who could not love it? Come check it out. As you guys saw, the PC setup for gaming. Unfortunately, I don't use that for film and video. I mainly just use my Mac. I found that the Mac has been a lot more user-friendly, way easier to find all your files and keep everything clean, especially when it comes to like importing LUTs and transitions. That stuff can get pretty tricky pretty quick. So I've always found that the Mac has just been my go-to. I can travel with it. It makes sense. Alright, and then for the storage, we got everything plugged in external with some hard drives over here. That way we can keep the computer as clean as possible, maximizing performance. To be honest with you guys, one of my favorite parts about this office, and it's kind of just like a little niche, one of those little things that kind of makes a home a home, makes an office an office, but it'd be my monster fridge. It's pretty unique. I got it to a restaurant that my father and I built together, and we served monster products to the restaurant. They gave us a fridge, and then when we closed down, they said keep it. So I thought, what a better thing to do than throw it in my own office and see it every day. I don't drink Monster, but I love like the brand and kind of like what they represent in action sports. I'm not too keen on sugary energy drinks, but Monster, you got a cool logo and it looks sick, so throw it in the office, hell. Last but certainly not least, the gear shelf. Alright guys, the gear shelf to me is kind of where I put anything and everything that I'm going to need on a daily basis. I got all my helmets, got lenses, drones, cases, glasses, notebooks, walkie-talkies, chargers, Pelican cases, bags, tripods, monopods, skateboards. Like, guys, we got it all on the gear shelf. That's what I'm saying, and it's only going to get bigger. But yeah, that's kind of where I put everything. So it's out in display. I know where it is. I know if it's charged or not. I don't like things hidden. I like to see it. I like to know what's going on. That's the gear shelf, baby. Hope you like it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That's the studio, that's the office, whatever you want to call it. We do anything and everything here. We do a little gaming, little film, little photography, little post-production, a little bit of it all, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. On a serious note, we're bringing in this Tech Tuesday. Every Tuesday we're coming at you with a new video involving tech. We may be building something, reviewing something, maybe a tutorial, but we're just gonna have fun with it. Anything techie. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe or like this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace!
You got 19 shots.
Yes! Let's go! Woo!
Way to go, Scooter!
Yeah!